Hello, magical ones. I'm the Fairy Witch. Thank you for tuning in today. Today we are out here in a little nature walk, so I thought I'd have you come along with me, and maybe we'll see a fairy. It's kind of unlikely because of where we are. There's a lot of traffic and noise and businesses surrounding, so it's probably unlikely there won't be any. If they do reside here, then I would say they're probably high up in the trees or very low down in the ground, avoiding all the noise and chaos. But we've got this nice little nature walk. There will be traffic and noise. I'm sorry. There's not much I can do about that. But in the quieter moments, this little nature walk is really pretty and it's really nice. So I thought I'd share it with you. So we've got this gravel path. We got some really pretty trees. And not everything is labeled anymore out here, so I don't know what the trees are. You see there's some markers down there in the ground, the little green markers. I think it's right about here, and it's broken off. Just get this big tree here. So pretty. And this tree, this one looks like a pink crepe, maybe? I think my mom used to have one of these in our back garden when I was a child. It made a lot of mess. It was really these pretty flowers. It looked very similar to it, so it's possible. But this one's got these little pink flowers. I don't know if I can zero in. Let's see. Yeah, some little pink flowers. Yeah, they're littered all over the ground. There's no marker, but it looks like one of those. I want to say a crepe, but maybe I'm wrong. But yeah, see, they got these little dainty pink flowers. Got two of them here next to each other. Three of them. There's three of them here. Yeah. Pretty. Some of these. This tree's got really unique green bark. It's cool. I don't know what tree it is. Again, there's the marker, what's left of it. I don't know what it is. And as we proceed, got another one of these big trees. Another little guy here. Okay, and those have got a marker. Let's see if I can zero in on it. Looks like Ceridium Desert Museum Thornless Palo Verde. That's what it says on the marker, so that's these trees here, I think, or at least one of them. Yeah. Okay. So I continue along the path. They've got these big bushy bull weevil kind of thingies. I don't know what they are, but they're funny looking. Look like alien creatures or green haystacks. And then we got these spriggy kind of trees, and this one has got blooms. And I can get really close to one here. There we go. Yeah, it's got like these little red feathery sprigs sticking out of them. Interesting. No marker in the ground, so I don't know what type of tree it is. Yeah. I got two of them right here next to each other. And then we got some of these guys. And I got some of these big, beautiful desert-looking boulders. These are always unique, so unique with all the colors and the formations. And so let's go around the path here. There's another of the boulders. And then another one of those trees with the red feathery sprigs. There's a couple of them. And then we got some more of what looks like those crepes. And then there's a big pine tree. He's pretty. And over here, I've got some of those haystacky-like things. And then here's another one of those trees. Now this one still has a marker. Let's see if we can read it. Something. Red blood. Oh, it does say crepe. Okay. So yeah, maybe those other ones are crepes, as I said. Cool. Okay. So another one of those. And another one behind it. And that big tree. I could see some fairies or something living up in there. It's possible. It's possible. And then as we continue around, I need to get some shade because this heat is terrible, but at least we're got this beautiful breeze though. I'm grateful for that. And they got another rock formation with those other little guys. And then we got this big fella. I don't know what type of tree this is, but it's big. It's got a big chunk. It's been around quite a while, just from the size of it. You look up into the canopy here. It's pretty. It's definitely pretty. Yeah. Okay. So that is my little nature walk for the day. I try to come out here every couple of months. It's not very big, doesn't take very long, but it's kind of nice to see what's blooming and how the trees look and all the other. So it's cool. There might be some pine cones. Let's go on a little pine cone hunt for the moment, right before I'm signing off. There's a few. There's a few out here. Yeah. There's a few of them. Yeah, I think there's one right there. And there's another one right there, little guy. Yeah, and then we got some little guys over here. Little baby ones. Right in here somewhere. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Well, this is my little nature walk. I thank you for taking it with me. No fairies, of course. But like I say, if they live here, they live deep down the ground to get away from all the noise. Or they're very high up in the pine tree. I wouldn't say, doubt. And there's a couple way over there that are fairly big. I could see some tree spirits or sprites or, hanging out up there. So, yeah. So this is my little nature walk. Thank you for taking it with me. And we hope to see you in the next video. Have a fairy day.